Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disable or turn off over typing on iPhone or iPad. So if you want to remove this label called over typing on your iPhone, then you need to disable it or turn it off. So basically here in this video, you learn how to turn off over typing on your iPhone or iOS 18. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down and click on accessibility. Once you selected accessibility, scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to accessories, and under accessories click on keyboards and typing. Under keyboard and typing, locate over typing. That's the first option on the page. Click on it. There you go. You should see over typing turned on. Now to turn off or disable over typing, all you just need to do is toggle this off. Then you should see over typing disabled. Then you can now exit this page. Now when next you want to type on your iPhone with the over typing disabled, you discover that the over typing is no longer visible. You see that? So that is basically how to disable or turn off over typing in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.